What is air-to-air in the creator's universe? One aircraft takes videos or photos from another aircraft. In this video, I will show you the process behind these stunning pictures and videos featuring some of the best creators in the gliding world. A few weeks ago, we had a private event where creators and pilots met for 4 days in northern Germany to practice and improve their skills. The equipment. For the best results, you should choose a plane with an open door or a big window. Filming through the canopy will cause reflections and distortions, which you should avoid for good content. For the camera equipment, everyone has his own preferences, and it also depends if you shoot stills or videos. At this private creators event, we also tested a gimbal in the TWO 27, which works perfectly to get smooth videos. For filming, I highly recommend a neutral density filter, so-called ND filter, so that you can open the aperture even at bright conditions. Let's come to the environment. The best time for filming and taking pictures is the golden hour. Early in the morning, right after sunrise or just before sunset. At this time the light is more orange and you get these stunning long shadows on the ground. Also, the camera sensor is able to capture better images because the difference in brightness between the shadow and the bright areas is less. And you should definitely avoid completely covered sky and low light situations. Of course, the background and the landscape is also very important for exciting content. Most likely one of these photos from my LS3 will make it into the aviation calendar Soaring 2024. Unfortunately, it was already too late for the 2023 print, but there are some other stunning photos included. I teamed up with Tobias Barth to make you a special offer for the Soaring calendar. If you buy the bigger A2 Plus format, you can add 2 sets of postcards for free to your order. Just use my code STEFLY at the checkout and you will only pay for the calendar until November the 30th. The most important part of formation flying is the communication and the preparation on the ground. Formation flying is a highly dangerous activity. Really, it is very dangerous, and it doesn't matter if it is a display at an airshow or just formation flying for content creation. The whole mission needs to be planned and discussed with both pilots plus the creator in advance. Communication in the air should be limited to the necessary instructions. The final point, formation flying. For me, it was my first photo shoot with Tobias Barth, who is very experienced, and it was so interesting to see how slow you need to make turns so that the carrier plane can react to your changes. Tobias told me not to use air brakes so that you don't see them on the pictures, and for the carrier plane it is easy to change the power settings. Instructions about the position and maneuvers were communicated by the photographer or an additional co-pilot in the TWO 27. If you do the air-to-air shooting with a glider, make a high airtow so that you have enough time to practice and get good content.
Was kann dein Display hier?
So und so. Und die von dir, die kann ja auch noch so nach oben. Also ein bisschen Höhenleitwerk. Das braucht man ja gar nicht.
Ein Höhenleitwerk braucht man gar nicht, genau.